This Ford Explorer had an unexpected encounter with one of those yellow pillars, which caused some decent damage on this fender. The vehicle's owner had three options. One, drop it off at a body shop and have them repair it and repaint it where the color may or may not match. Two, have the dents removed with Paintless Dent Repair. Or three, live with these ugly dents on the driver's side of the vehicle. Well, PDR really was the best choice overall, and that's the option our customer chose. This repair was done at the customer's home inside his garage, and his original paint finish remained intact, which is always the best paint finish. It's really amazing what can be done with dented metal when you've got the proper tools and years of knowledge of how to work the metal back into shape while using a PDR light's reflection as your guide throughout the entire repair. The goal is to restore your vehicle back to factory condition if possible, and Barton was able to do that here. We got a 5-star review out of this one, so that tells you the customer was quite happy with the outcome here, and so were we. If you're looking for a local family-owned and operated dent repair company that comes to you on the Emerald Coast, then call us. We're Coastal Excellence Mobile Dent Repair, and excellence matters to us.